it's Kerry. Welcome to my farm today. You'll get to see what happens when this little piglet gets into the vegetable garden. First to arrive are the Pentavian horses, the mare, the stallion and the foal. Sarah feeds the foal a carrot. The Pentavian horse is an American, part Arabian horse breed. It has over 99% Arabian blood. And here's the mare. They all have silver horseshoes. The farmer feeds the adult horses. And now to look at the pigs. This sow has 4 piglets. I'll show you some of my favourite pigs very soon. And there's more. Well, this is fun. I'm getting the pond ready. I've got a fenced area for the mother pig so she won't be bothered. And here's the piglets. And lots of pigs. Pigs appear to have a good sense of direction and have found their way home over great distances. The Hampshire pig. They are good-tempered pigs and are distinguished by the erect ears and a black and whitish band around the middle and covering the front legs. The Berkshire pig. They are small pigs with stubby snouts, short legs and upright ears. The pigs are covered in fine black hair but have pink skin underneath. The pot-bellied pig have short erect ears and a short snout for foraging. You'll also notice the sagging underbelly and very loose wrinkled skin. And here's a black one. They have tough skin with very little hair. The Hungarian pig. It has a thick coat of curly fur or hairy fleece that makes it look much like a sheep. Pigs are very clean animals. They roll around in the mud to cool themselves off. The 2 Sarahs are going to feed the piglets now. Oh, it looks like they're helping themselves. The sow will eat later. She's got some apples. And this is Sarah's vegetable garden. She's got it fenced off. Swans, ducks, geese, and a dog. The brown Swiss family, the bull and the cow and a calf. And now for the Frisian cows. My 3D cow, a Frisian bull, and of course the Frisian calf. There are 2 calves today. Matt's bringing some hay in on the tractor. The farmer will help take it off. And here's trouble. This little piglet has decided to go and get some fresh vegetables. Max the farm dog alerts everyone. The farmer gently lifts the pig up and takes it back. Sarah will fix up the garden. Lots of fun at the farm today. So many different animals and lots of visitors here to learn about the animals. I didn't have time to include the sheep today. I'll put them in next time. Thank you for watching my video. Please share my videos with your friends. See you again soon.